When we were house hunting in 2015, workshop space was high on my list of requirements. When I saw the cavernous unfinished basement in this house, I was sold. Part of the attraction was the bulkhead entrance, which was super wide, allowing for ingress and egress of yet-to-be-acquired big machinery. Unfortunately, the only thing between the basement and the outside was a Bilco door, which was extremely drafty. Also, groundwater had a tendency to collect on the floor during wet months, draining through a grate at the base of the stairs into a sump pit. I set about designing a removable insert that would block out the elements while still maintaining the wide access when I needed it. The drain to the sump pit was in front of the plane of the wall, which I addressed by designing a step at the base of the insert that kept the drain on the outside. My first task was to trim back the existing shelves, which were obstructing my planned build. I began by making new vertical supports, then cutting back the shelves with a jigsaw and installing new caps. Pictured here is the completed step, upside down, to show the space for the drain, along with some weather sealing. I then used mortar to ensure a flat mating surface, and slid the assembly into place. The frame of the assembly pretty much built itself. I did some insulating and attached the header and the flange pieces. I installed the Prehung door in the standard fashion. I then caulked all the way around before installing the inside trim. Finally, I drilled through the flanges with a hammer drill into the concrete in order to attach the insert with lag bolts and shields. To make the whole apparatus mobile, I installed a set of 4 retractable workbench casters from Rockler. I also set up some automation features. Hey Google Siri Alexa, open the pod bay doors. Alright, now close it. Almost 2 years later, my planning paid off when it came time to move the 1966 Northfield HD 12-inch jointer that I was restoring back down into the basement.